You're looking for a heated jacket. I'm a large, and I'm kind of big in waist, and I would probably go for an extra large. It's on the tapered side, got a nice fit, and it's really close to the body to keep the heat in. I'm going to show you what this jacket's about and go over the details. From the company KOVNLO is a heated jacket. It has 6 zones, heats up to 159 degrees in 3 seconds with 22 plus watts of PD20 power bank. We're going to show you what you get inside the box. An instruction guide on how to use your unit and care for it. A PD20 5-watt power bank, 10,000 milliamps in blue, 3.0 amp port chargers. An included USB-C cable, a laundry bag to wash and care for, and 100% polyester fleece lined jacket with the controllers, the zippers, pockets, and 6 heating zones, 1 on the neck, in the abdomen, and the back. The jacket comes in 2 colors, blue and black, with a nice sized pocket to put your smartphone, pockets for your hands, and zip up all the way to the top, opening up and showing you where the heating zones are at. 2 on the side, 1 in the mid back, 2 in the large back, and 1 in the neck area over here that folds. On the inside, you have your pocket that puts the power bank in and plugs USB-A style. Optional battery packs can be purchased. They run up to a number of hours per zone and takes up to 4 hours to charge the power bank. My size is large. They come in black and dark blue. It's a tapered fit. Just enough room for what I have on. The controls are over here in the front. Basically, you just press the buttons, long press. The light comes on for that zone. To shut the light off, single press. 3 seconds it heats up. Each zone can be turned on individually. And then you press it once, twice, and you have all 3 different zones and they cycle through. Each color represents a zone. Red is 159 degrees. The power consumption of each individual zone. Red is 3 hours and 30 minutes of runtime for all 3 zones. If you run 1 zone, it'd be 3 hours and 30 minutes or more. Green zone is 4 hours and 30 minutes, and blue zone is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Choose the zones you want for your heating. Red is 159 degrees. Green is 141 degrees. And blue is 123 degrees. Short presses, turns on and off the lights. Pressing in the middle turns off the unit, 100%. Long press turns the unit on, defaults into the red zone, and choose your red zones. When turning on for the first time, you'll notice it will breathe. The jacket's for indoor, outdoor, gardening, fishing, biking, hiking, camping, in the automobile, working outdoors, rooftops, in the cold weather, all year round. Place your outerwear over the jacket. Fits nice and comfortable. Outdoor, windy days. 100% polyester and fleece lining. Gardening, working around the house and more. The jacket keeps you warm on those cold days. A gift for all who are outdoor, camping, fishing, by the beach, walking the dog, whatever you need to have a jacket for in apparel. It is strong, medium weight, soft material, machine washable. Optional ports allow you to take the battery, plug into the USB-C charger, and charge your phone. Battery indicator how much life you have left in soft white lights. Additional battery packs may be used. PD20. Plug in, turn on, press the zone, and off you go. I hope you enjoy your KOVNLO heated jacket. 100% polyester, fleece all around, with pockets all around. Enjoy your jacket in the size you pick. From KOVNLO, the heated jacket and power charging bank.